guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a brand new year, guys, and you know what they say about New Year's resolutions. I really don't know what they say, but I hope you guys know what they say. So, anyway, yeah, I am trying to be more consistent. I told myself this year, girl, 2021, if you really want to grow this YouTube channel, you really got to post. So here I am, gonna post for the second time this year, which is good because that's one post a week, and that's all I need to get started. One post a week. First and foremost is your post notifications turned on. Are you subscribed to the channel? Because I notice y'all watching, but y'all not subscribing. So I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, and I'm gonna need y'all to comment down below and let me know what videos you be interested in seeing. And let's get into the video. So this is a model that I booked. She is receiving a gel overlay. I think this is about the third time that I have actually done a gel overlay on another person besides myself. So I really want to get used to doing this on a regular because it is something that I do enjoy. I do like gel a whole lot better than acrylic. And yeah, so anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you all a good look at what it's like to prep the nails before doing a gel overlay. It is basically the same thing as doing a gel manicure. The only difference is that you really gotta make sure that them nails is buffed and crispy. Not crispy like you gotta damage the nails, but you can't have no shine. Don't have no shine, no oil on the nail bed, no kind of liquid nowhere. It gotta be dry. Like I said, I like to call it crispy. Dry and crispy. I know that don't sound cute though. I don't know. We gotta find another word for it, because you know how when nail techs they do their shaping nails and they be like, oh, this so crisp. It's like that, but I don't know. It don't sound cute when I say it. Anyway, yeah, it's really the same thing, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys another look at it. As you can see, I started off by shaping the nails first and then pushing back the cuticles and working on, all that cuticles and nipping and all that stuff. There really is no wrong way to do the steps as far as did you want to do the cuticle work first and then shape. There are certain steps you should do first, of course, but to be exact, I know in my handbook in school they were like, you gotta do this first, this is step 1, this is step 2. But my teacher that I had, she was like, make the steps work for you. If you feel like doing this will shorten your time, then do it that way. You don't have to do it exactly how the books say you're supposed to do it. So yeah, I've been working in a way that helps me and helps me work faster. So that's just how I do it. So the reason why I use this cuticle, how you explain this bit? It's a cuticle bit, but it's not for acrylic. It's just to remove all the cuticles off the nail bed, the really tough ones, because to be honest, everybody don't need this. And I'm gonna be real honest with you, everybody don't got cuticles down to the wazoo, and everybody don't need to be nipped all the way down past the nail matrix and the nail fold, and no, you don't need to do all of that. Some people do, and it look cute, and I ain't gonna lie, it look mad cute, but everybody don't need that done to their nails. And so I just take this little thing, this little cuticle bit, and I take it around. I bring it around town. No, I do not like SpongeBob, but I bring it around town. And yeah, and it helps so much because when I get ready to nip, all of that is already pushed up. It's not attached to the nail, so I can just nip real quick and take care of what I need to take care of. So Yeah, guys, it's all up to your indiscretion. I just wanted to show you that it don't take a lot to prep, but this is how you prep. Okay, guys, make sure when you're buffing the nails that you're using a rough buffer. So nothing soft, like you're not trying to add shine to the nail. You're trying to etch it up, rough it up. Like that's how I get it in my work, crisp. Okay, you don't want to use a soft buffer. Also, if the buffer was originally rough, but you've used it a couple times, it's probably not going to be working for you. You need like a fresh buffer because you need some with a little something to it. Okay. It's the last step that I always do is to dehydrate my nails. And so yes, you can buy dehydrator in a bottle, or you can use acetone. I was using acetone at one point in time, but I started to see the effects of how it would do to the skin. Like it really does dry out the skin as well, not just the nail bed. And then also, like I was using it during acrylic nails, and so when I would have the tip on there and then I would swipe it with acetone, because I just would not buy a dehydrator. I literally was just using acetone, and it was making the tip, it was doing something to the tip because it's acetone. It eats it up or whatever. So I have decided to go to alcohol. I've been doing alcohol now for about 6 months now, probably a little more than 6 months. I don't know. Have I been doing it for a year? I don't know, but I use alcohol. So I just take the little brush, put some alcohol on it, or you can also use the Scrub Fresh from Young Nails, or the Swipe, or whatever it's called. You can also use that, but you just want to dehydrate the nails. And so that's what I'm adding to my brush, and I'm just gonna swipe the nails real quick, and that'll get me ready to start my application. So I'm going to leave it right here and pick up in my next video on the application of the builder gel. I'm using oily builder gel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.